Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a great week so far. Welcome to this new video on Arkm, which I haven't covered this much. Like usually I keep covering the Binance Launchpad projects for quite a while until the movement and the volume is gone. Arkm, I think, is one of the most interesting projects that we have had in the Binance Launchpad. But the volume actually pretty quickly dropped down quite a bit. Like the volume this week dropped down to a low of around 20 million, which is just quite low. There is still potential. Like most of the Binance Launchpad projects have actually rallied a lot at some point of time after launch. So something like that is also still expected from Arkm, kind of depending on the market circumstances, but still. But in this video, we will mostly focus on the short term, because on the short term, there actually is some potential as well. I think most of you can already see that on the chart. Like we had a breakout above this level, the 27th, so yesterday. And since then, like we've been trying, our main resistance is between 58 and 60 cents. It's a psychological level. You have the 200 EMA. It's a strong technical resistance level as well. So we're trying to break above that. And if we could break above that, we could actually rally quite a bit. And like I said, most Binance Launchpad projects have rallied a lot. So the upside potential definitely is there. But we'll talk about that in this video. We will not go into depth about Arkm itself. I mean, the project is quite controversial, I know that, but that's not the point of this video. So that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that, I do want to say that I also have my own trading signal group, as you can see from the top right there. I'm a profitable trader. I share trading setups. If you want to join that, if you want to learn more, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, or go to cilinix.com. And hopefully I'll see you soon. But now on to Arkm. So the thing is that Arkm was doing quite well. Like you can also see it in the volume. The volume is pretty good, and the volume, most of it is coming from credible sources as well. Quite a lot from Turkey, which is never ideal historically. But overall, I mean, most of it is still coming from Binance and some other good exchanges. It's actually not too much. But right now what we're seeing is that Bitcoin actually has quite a lot of bearish momentum. And that was, like the market structure right now for Arkm, I would say is this. If I can find a triangle. I would say it's this, all right? So we had that major resistance level, but we also had a lot of bullish momentum pushing or trying to push us above that level. And that was kind of spoiled, first of all, because the resistance level is strong. That 200 EMA is definitely not nothing. But apart from that, I also think it was spoiled by that Bitcoin bearish momentum that we got. So now the big question is I wouldn't even, like, ideally, I would want this trend line to hold, all right, so that this isn't broken, but it's not the end of the world, because this trend line is a bit weird. Because if you take a look at, for example, this trend line, what you'll see is that, oh, not that one. What you'll see is that this was already broken way before, and we just continued the uptrend. So I don't think that's the problem. I do think we need to stay on top of 55 cents. All right, so right now we're testing that 55, 56 cents area. What I think we need to see, and we need to see this pretty quickly, is we need to see that being held. And then today, because it's the end of the week, and this is the last day in which we can actually get some nice momentum, today we would need to break above 60 cents. If we can do that, if we break above 60 cents on the 1 hour time frame, my price target is 64, 66. So that's a pretty decent rally. That's my first price target. We could also rally higher, but that's something we'll see then. And if we're not able to do this today, or if we break down below 55 cents, I think we'll just drop back down towards our previous support level right here at around 50 cents. And then from there, we'll find support and probably consolidate. Maybe at some point of time in the next week, we'll try again. All right, but that's my full take. That's my analysis on Arkm. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.